Good morning, good morning. Today I am paddling a section of the Dee, just around Serpents. I'm hoping the top little wave is in. I'm going to take the small boat, the Prijon Delirious, the best boat ever made, about 20 years old. So uncomfortable to be in, but so balanced when you are in it. To try and throw some ends, try and get some cartwheels if it's deep enough, see what happens. Just park the van in the lay-by opposite the boils. It's so cold, I can't be bothered to do a lap. I don't really want to do the whole of the river and then the whole of the canal. I'm just on my own. So yeah, that is the plan for today. It's utterly freezing. I've got a hole in my dry suit, which is not ideal. Right between the legs, which is even worse. But we'll see if I can make a little edit. Hello again. It's me with another voiceover. As the video comes to an end, you can see me attempting a little rock splat in the little cave. A lovely little trick. Just be aware when you do it and where you do it. When I first started, I'd do it on absolutely everything. Some features, some trees, some rock walls are not suitable, especially if you've got a lot of flow and maybe a little undercut underneath. So this is a little PSA, I think that's what they call it, public service announcement. Just be safe where you do it. Don't do it on your own. Work out where you're doing it and have some fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sweet.